we're going to talk just a little bit about sigma bonds. I'm trying to remember overlap direction is, I was going to say important. I'll come back to it. It'll come to me. So the first type of bonding is sigma bonds. And remember, that's the same as being a single bond, but we use that fancy word sigma. So sigma occurs when two electrons, remember every orbital can only have two, when they're shared directly along, or actually I should say between. I was going to say along the axis of, but let's just say between two atoms. Here's the nuclear axis. Along the internuclear axis, that just means, you know, up here we had this like line. So it's an overlap along that line. And if you want to play around with stuff, this is kind of a cool sim. I had some suggestions to try 1s and 1s, 1s and 2xy at these distances. I'll do just the 1s. So this is 1s and 1s. And I'm going to set, actually I'm going to do a big distance. So these shouldn't be overlapping, right? So I'm going to calculate it. So see, look, they're not much overlapping. But then I'm going to get them close together. See, they're closer. The perfect distance is like around 70-ish. So this is, there you go. Now, watch what happens when I put them like on top of each other. So that doesn't look like a bond anymore, does it? It's like the atoms have like somehow done some weird melting or something. I don't know what it is. But that is not the look of something that's bonded. They should not be on top of each other. This is the look of something that's bonded. Some other suggestions, try the 1s and the 2xy. The 2xy, actually let me try the xy and the xy. And I'll show you all the xy and xy. So 2xy, 2p, I guess I meant that, 2px and 2px. Let me put them at that distance. So look, see how they are opposites? If you don't want them to look opposites like that, just click diff. So now you can see the overlap. You see it? So see, like, these are bigger. They don't have to get as close to each other to start doing the overlap. But like, here we'll put this at like 70. So see? Kind of, that's a pretty good overlap. You know, 200 would not be an overlap. See, not overlapping. And like 0 would be nothing. Nothing.